Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about that person. That's what she refers to as. And now I'm not going to see who the person is. You're going to have to go ahead and figure out who the person is that she's talking about. She didn't call the person's name, and so I won't. All right? You don't want to assume. You want to, try to figure out who she's talking about. And we all know who she's talking about. But she's saying that basically some women, they're talking about her, saying that her tummy is big. And there was someone who said, good pom pom deserve shelter. And she's saying that some of us, we have men in our houses that have big bellies as well. And we're not seeing that, but we're talking about her. So, guys, she's talking about that. She's talking about this other person, because she's really rubbing him out, because she's saying that basically he had nothing to bring to the plate when he was trying to get with this other person. This other person, is on social media. She's talking about him, that he's not able to rise to the occasion. And he had to use strap on, he had to use his tongue, and allegedly, and other, means of getting her to be excited. So, guys, that alone should tell you who, Marcia is talking about. But go ahead, guys, and catch the video and listen to what she has to say. As you know, this is a free-for-all. You could comment, and we're able to have a conversation here as to what you think about this video. What do you think, what do you think about Marcia's stand towards this person? And do you love this video? Go ahead and catch it. And like, share, comment. For all the new people, please subscribe to the channel. And lovelies, as you know, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Yeah, big up yourself, J Kwan. Big up yourself. Yes. It's a good pussy need shelter. A belly might have big, but the pussy is small. For a 51-year-old woman next month. And you know, say a good small pussy you need out. A man, they don't care about no ass belly, because most of the woman ass man belly big. Who no love to come up and talk about woman belly big, but no talk about your ass like big belly man, they won't have in our house we're big. But no, they lie down pound now. Same way. Some of them head big and them head and down no crutch. Cause them dick dead. And like a skinny man them too dead. Company boy over there, so we use a fear young boy like that was sick. Before you go sit down in one blood clot nursing home, in there trouble people with their fucking bipolar self. Over there are class people. Somebody kind of class people. Man with dead dick mustn't talk. If you have to put substitute false dick and strap on for figure woman, you is not a man. You is not a man if you shut up. Man like them they tie up in one blood clot hands nest. And tie up in them what the hands they call African hands. No man if your dick dead, you don't have no talk. That means if your blood clot dead, the man who dead. That's why I'm sitting and lap up in blood clots like a woman and cause people every day. All you have to do go a doctor and urologist and one doctor and then cut out that blood clot and fold up like a pussy. You understand? And take it tough up in your blood clot behind. But you didn't know with your ass self and lap up just because your fucking dick now work and me have my good nice pussy and you can't get it. The dead could man finna talk. That's why you come sit down every day and lap up your ass foot. With your little frowns, the drain is stinking behind. Eh? I leak like a blood clot Jamaica #1 eye stroke. And you come up here chat fuck your people years old, but you sit down over your page, but you call people name. And I talk about people chief. Dead you must have to talk. You don't have to talk. Dead hood man. The only purpose you have right now is to figure woman and name pussy and pay the bills. And carry out for dinner and carry for trip. That's the only purpose no serve. A woman don't really need the man, but who no need we in one way. So they also shut the fuck up. Go and fold that blood clot dick and cut off a pussy old boy. Ashanti 360. You was a bipolar motherfucker. Your dick dead, all have to come. My ladies, all you do is your fucking tongue, and your tongue have a parasite. You understand? Every woman pussy you suck from the other day. You catch parasite, then catch this, then have to go a doctor. Go get medication. Get this, go sit, get the fuck out of here. You know, see the woman the way I go for nowadays on intern. Welfare, motherfucker, sore foot, every blood clot woman. You can't get no real woman. Well, then I wish real woman that want you. You know, must be a low self-esteem blood clot who that want. Nobody don't want you. Eh? Not even a blood clot New York City subway rat no want you if you bite off a blood clot dick. Eh? Nobody don't want you. Nobody don't want you. What them a do with it? Eh? Look how your mag and tan. Eh? The other day me see your black no blood clot. It come like a pill then when you take poison you. Eh? Are you on drugs? Stay away from drugs, motherfucker. I see your body looking black. You look ugly. You look like a blood clot New York City's Brooklyn subway rat then. You see you look like a rat. See your face, yeah? My ladies, my ladies. My ladies, my ladies, my ladies, my ladies, my ladies. Go fix your blood clot dirty teeth them. Your teeth them lean like a giddy house over Port Royal. Both you did it, but my ladies, my ladies. My ladies, nothing. And you fucking little steel tongue, you want to push up to the cockarass. Move from your body, boy. Boy, you did it over there, cost me. Boy, you're idiot, boy. Eh? I'm gonna change the diaper from morning, kind of sleep at night time, you know. Me say me wake up there at night time, I say, boy, just come off a life tree, go sleep. Use a blood clot vampire. You want somebody to stab your blood clot with a cross in your heart and that's some holy water. You go sit down. Old vampire blood clot. Go look at England, go in a whole building and go meet your masters. Them over England there. I wave a vampire them there. Yeah, vampire, you know. You don't sleep. That's how you look so. You look whole and tired. That's all it is. In see boy black there, them see him in a chair a swing round and a swing round. The way boy it chair to fling your blood clot down the step. Eh? Me see me there swing. My ladies, my ladies, my ladies, my ladies. It chair couldn't fling you. Eh? Hungry belly boy. We walk a big food, a queens. If you go on like your food for them, and every blood clot night you go miss Lotan garbage pan and look food. Like a blood clot New York City subway rat. Move fire, you have food for buy? The only reason you come about my ladies is because you want miss Lotan food for them. Use a garbage blood clot picker up. You go on like you have money, and I beg you go make food. Huh? You have money for buy food? Blood clot boy. You don't spend off your help on drugs already. Are you brain and drugs? Yeah? Do I need treatment? Yes, motherfucker, you need treatment. Do I need to see the psychiatrist? No, you need to go in the motherfucking grave, bitch. You ain't got no life left, motherfucker. Fuck you. Yeah? Dead dick boy. You ain't got no talk on social media. Any man we fuck woman with dildo, use a blood clot batty boy. Batty boy. Any woman who fuck is a boom, bye. Use a fish. Use a swim around. Move your blood clot from you. Eh? And nobody don't want you. You have money, but him and a man where dress up and look nice and guani. You can't even dress. Look at you. Eh? Your blood clot body will open up like a tunnel. And you don't even get nobody. Eh? Where you from? My Vegas, my ladies. My ladies, my ass. You mean say the ram goat, my ram goat? I that if you say blood clot ram goat you're getting. But my ladies, my ladies. Blood clot ram goat, I'm a mongrel dog. But my ladies, my ram goat. Not even a blood clot she goat. You go up and she goat right now and kick your ass. The only way you can get them, I let them tie you. Tie them up. Me not change the raw subject into enough. You hear him over there cause me from yes, huh? Do you hear him over there class me up and beat me? You know hear him over there try me pick me and take a picture up or something? You know hear? Oh you not tell him go over there and tell me enough. You know hear over there call me drunk, crow and this and that and not. Go over there go hear him. And tell me if you shut up, motherfucker. Boy. Bright. They got chichi boy. Hey, look at chichi boy. What me say? It costs me every day. Day come. He watch me. Everything me do. The way the boy obsessed with me, the boy got a hotel. The boy got a hotel, go book hotel for 1 day. Could even turn in not even a blood clot week. And me in a hotel for 2 months now. Me soon go look for my place. Me go look for some place today. And the boy go in there and go show a hotel when he can't turn. Stay from far upon the road, you know. And look upon people door, hotel door when can't even spend night. And he say me in a hotel and in a chair a swing round. Eh? A swing. Anybody can go in a one hotel place and swing. Like them a wait for somebody. The way the boy want content. Somebody now watch you. It's only idiot people watch you because them things you're fucking mad. You're delusional. Go cut off your blood clot like with a dick. I don't even think you have like a seaman in it. You done. Go take that blood clot and get one lake with some what you call it? Pamaras. How the fish call? The pamaras, how they call it? How you pronounce it? Pamaras fish. How you call the fish them? So if fish them, whether Mexico and some third world country. When you put your when you put your foot in there, then name you clean. Them all have one movie come out with them. The pamaras, how they call them? Them fish they then dangerous. Like your face tonight, Curl. Let me see you like my face. My face, but my face step on body from me barn. Them me not understand. Then how you have to me see you like my face and me have the same face. Well, me not understand you. Then Chambra, oh you me see you like my face tonight. But wait here. Then I walk on a wear face. Then I see face me have all the time. Huh? Me not understand. See the ras fish they were very pronounced. Me say go push your dick in one of them in a lake. I go say let's find one fish tank in the fish in a pet store and push your blood clot dick in that and then if you don't have the use a man too. Not a workless piece of dull cut this man. Workless and weak. You fucking boy weak, you see? And same day when Janet not kick him out in walla ground. Janet, let me suck some more pussy. Janet, me can't suck the pussy no more if you live here no more. Janet, you leaving me, Janet? Go blood clot. Should I take one pussy clot, dump a truck and dump your blood clot in a Florida lake? Janet, you don't like my pussy sucking no more, Janet. Boy, the woman pussy tongue must be long way you suck that pussy tongue because you can't fuck. You can't imagine Janet pussy. You have to have surgery for your pussy tongue, Janet, because even if him can't fuck, him dick now, he no suck out the pussy tongue must be long and stretch out like a elastic band. Eh? Because because him can't fuck. If I'm married saying can't fuck and he have dildo, then Janet me I tell you pussy tongue out long. I think you need to go do surgery. Because me I tell you pussy tongue must long. Me I tell you, Janet, come sit on my face, Janet, let me draw that pussy tongue like a bubble gum. Janet, I need another 6 months in your house, Janet. I love you, Janet. Janet didn't leave no food in the refrigerator. Janet, you remember when Janet take out all the food at the refrigerator and left pay meat? Because I'm not meat, you know. So she left pork and something in the car pay for it. Janet, come sit in my face. Janet, I'm broke as a motherfucker. Where am I going to get money from? Please, Janet. Come sit down my face and let me draw the pussy. I tell you that, Janet. I love it, Janet. Janet, please. Janet, like a little fucking little boy, I wig like her. Janet, I want to suck that pussy, Janet. I need to stay for the winter, Janet. I don't know where I'm going to go. You know that cock-a-high girl, she's gonna mock me. Yes, Janet, you can't let that cock-a-high girl meet me, you bitch-ass motherfucker. Go suck some more pussy, bitch. That's what you're doing. That's what you got the hotel for go do. I'm going to go for go suck one girl, too stinking pussy. So you could have get some money in your motherfucking pocket. Welcome to woman. Me's an independent blood clot woman. We got my life covered. I eat what I want to eat. I don't suck no motherfucking dick around here to survive. You understand? I work for my motherfucking money, bitch. Go suck some more pussy. That's where you're going to meet somebody in the hotel for. Idiot girl them. Use a motherfucking pussy sucker. Use a pimp. Use a man whore. With your blood clot dead dick. Yeah? Can you imagine? You cannot size up with me when you have to suck pussy if you put a roof over your head. You're an idiot boy. You idiot. You a blood clot idiot. Eh? You can't size up with me. Eh? You walk a suck woman pussy and a big cash up and Zelle to survive. And you talking to a blood clot. Look at a nice breast here. Me not even wear breasts. Look here. Me not even wear bras here. Look here. You want to come compare to a blood clot woman boy. And somebody say want? Move from yourself. And go push up your head under your mama pussy and go rebound. You fucking bitch ass boy. Go ahead. You want to come compete. A woman we push out baby and burn and everything. You what you do? Walk and suck woman pussy. Yeah, you can't talk to me. Eh? You can't talk to me. Eh? Period sucking pussy boy. You can't talk to me. Move. You can't compare yourself with me. Batty boy. You idiot. Move from yourself. I'm gonna fuck your batty boy son. Go ahead. You idiot. How for blood clot son you think you fuck with? Go fuck your son nigger boy. Motherfucker. And go suck your dirty girl. Your bitch ass boy. And but you can't talk about me. Motherfucker. With your batty boy son. Me rather my blood clot boy. God jail. Then don't abide by the rules and regulation of God's words. A blood clot. We say a man, a woman, and a man. And no prejudice around here. But that's how the world set. So me rather in God jail feel like misdemeanor stuff. Than in blood clot but you get fucked every night. Go ahead. I don't give a fuck if Facebook want to block me. Because Facebook now pay my blood clot bill. Me now depend on no pussy clot bill. If Facebook pay me around here, if pay my bills. Him a depend on that pussy clot. Not me. Me know where my brother come from. Fuck you. You ugly like. Go fix your fucking teeth. Your teeth your mouth stink. A woman say their teeth them yellow. When last you got dentist, if you suck more pussy. Your mouth must look like a blood clot shit house. Go ahead. Blood clot boy. You can't style me no day. You can't style me no day. Blood clot boy. You can't style me. You have pussy under your foot. Eh? You see period? You carry belly. All you do you give unwanted blood clot sperm. Where you can't fucking take care. You mind you pity them? Eh? Don't you look a blood clot scamming money there. You a workless blood clot boy there you got Jamaica. You want to carry the pitney come in your room, come sleep in the same room with the woman. The woman tell us said no. Go away from yourself. You look a broke pocket blood clot boy. So got Jamaica and spend 9 months. Over a few years down you don't go down they go spend it. Because them a look for you. You're blood clot allegedly. You're a blood clot rapist, rape, handicap, pitney. Handicap girl. Go away. Allegedly. You can't talk to me and talk about my son, you motherfucker. You say my son a face boy and good looking. You think see your blood clot like a ugly bitch ass batty boy son could I get my son? My son a girlish boy. Woman run him down blood clot left, right and center. 6'4" and blood clot handsome motherfucker. Your batty boy son. Go away. Every day you come and show up my boy picture. My blood clot boy no want for your pussy clot son. And where you showing picture for? For your son lost off of my blood clot son and dream about him every night. In my blood clot pussy man. Go away. Boy you are sure. Boy you did your show. Picture. You motherfucker. You look a dirty drugs ass boy. We catch you much time back in the day and get your blood clot record expunged. Because you do your time. Yeah, blood clot, you know, grow up. When you used to have your little things, them, a blood clot drugs in a cell, idiot boy. You got jail before, motherfucker, and get your record expunged.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.